is Random Gaming, and I'm like sort of next to 100 subscribers. I only have 3 more, so please support that channel. And if you guys want the channel to go on, please subscribe. My goal is just 100 subscribers or more, and I'm going to turn on that music. And I'm going to show you my inventory, and I'm going to shout out to some people and some of the accounts they have. So yeah, let's get started. First, I want to give out a shout out to Skylar AJ, which I really am like so happy because she gave me my first diamond shop supply on this account. I mean, I used to have 2 of them, and I got Skylar, which is good, and I just lost them to my trust ring. I'm so mad from that, but yeah, and please donate to her. Sorry, because AJ HQ just took away her green spike. It's short and clear. They took away her green spike, and they kind of like suspended her sufficient privileges, like gifting. I don't know, but yeah. Yeah, let's start. Okay, so when I first became a member, which was a couple days ago, this is a brand new account, but I used to have a private account, which is much more rare than this. But yeah, first I have a samurai helmet, which is still in stores, so still get those until they run out. Then I have this ninja sword, some donations from a project and a freedom guard. I have a samurai helmet, another blue sword, an arctic coat, a winter coat, a sombrero I got from Forgotten Desert, and a rear guardian hat that I also got from Forgotten Desert. A jolly elf hat, which I got from Forgotten Desert. I got a rare Viking hat from the Forgotten Desert. I got nunchucks from Forgotten Desert, and these 2 from the Forgotten Desert. I also have deer fur from Skylar, a designer skirt, and I got this for a Jamal day because I got this. We switched items a bit, but I gave her my Jamal day book. She wanted it so bad, and I wanted her to get so bad. So we made a deal, so we traded. And yes, we do know both of each other in real life. Yeah, because I really teach her a lot. Then I have a designer skirt I traded from the Jamal Day book. From Sarah, this football helmet that I only got because they were running out of stores, so I decided why not get it. And we got a leg armor, rare cane socks, gazelle horns, mammoth text, and don't even ask why. I wanted to turn into a mammoth, so yeah. A sword, vine anklets, rare Jamalade flippy top hat, high top sneakers, which I want to make outfit with this. I don't know why. Rare epic antlers from the donation, a collar, a rare spiked wristband, a freedom cape, which was also a donation, a spiked collar, a cupcake hat, a beard, which I'm actually so happy that I got it, winter, rare pigtails, ornament earrings, which I was kind of really annoying. I said, why not trade really bad item for it, and that was actually accepted. So, non-glossy cupid wings, which I would go on. I traded my non-glossy cupid wings in foil for the cupid wings I have right now. And then I have baseball cap, high top sneakers. This was a donation, so yeah. They're high heels, which is a real Monday. I kind of hate it, so I'm gonna try it. Then I have a warm blanket. Like, someone decided to gift me. size because she was the one who donated G1. So yeah, and I am so happy. So this is my first video. I'm actually gonna put some background music because why not? And I don't want you guys to like listen to my annoying voice the whole time you're watching this. But yeah, and go ahead and subscribe because my goal is kind of like 5 subscribers. And I don't want to be a big YouTuber or anything, but 5 subscribers is enough for me to enjoy. And I guess I'll see you guys later. Toodles!